Why Amazon FBA is the ideal choice for your reselling business. Want to become a reseller? This really is one of the very best business models, no matter who you are or what your niche is. As a reseller, you are someone who buys products in bulk and then sells them on at a profit. There are several different ways you can do this, but the most traditional is just to ship those items to your home and then deliver them yourself. This is not optimal. What's far better is Amazon FBA. And in this presentation, we'll explore why. The concept. The basic concept behind Amazon FBA is that you get products shipped to Amazon's warehouses rather than to your home. Amazon will then store those items as needed before sending them on to the customers. That means that you can remove a lot of the stress and the confusion when it comes to selling. Here are just a few of the things you no longer need to worry about if you choose to use Amazon FBA. Finding somewhere to store your products. Paying rent on a warehouse, sending your products out to customers, working with drivers and logistics companies, handling missing items, late deliveries, customer complaints, creating an e-commerce store or platform. If you are a savvy marketer though, you may be considering alternate options, such as drop shipping. Here, resellers send products direct to customers on your behalf, meaning you can drop the middleman. The problem with that is that you still need to handle orders, and now you need to create a storefront as well. Moreover, very few companies will be willing to offer dropshipping, whereas you can work with pretty much any wholesaler when you sell through Amazon. And by selling through Amazon this way, you'll be able to reach one of the biggest audiences in the world. That's amazing enough on its own, but it's made even better when you consider that all these buyers are already signed up for Amazon, and that they already trust the platform. So many of us are used to buying products with one click, that we hardly even think about it now. That's a huge opportunity for you to capitalize on. And while there are other ways to stock products and sell them through Amazon, this is by far the easiest way. And while there are some fees associated with Amazon FBA, those fees are likely to add up to less than the amount you'd pay for storage and delivery per unit anyway. Unless you're a mega corporation. Maybe someday, eh?